Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Newall NMS800 digital readout display and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this unit is not working properly, if it's not displaying proper data and things like that, a hard reset to the factory default settings can fix a lot of this. Otherwise, if you're just trying to set this up on a new unit or something like that, or just for whatever reason you want to get this back to the way it was when it came out of the box so we can set it up new, we can do this very easily. We just need to navigate to the settings menu, and from the settings menu we're going to go to the setup option and then reset. So settings, setup, reset, and then we'll just need to use we'll have to, using these menu options, we're going to have to select yes, because it's going to say reset, sure, and you'll have to confirm it by hitting yes, and then hitting the enter equal button to just confirm it all, and it will go ahead and reset to its factory default settings, and then you can just go ahead and set this up as a brand new device.